Hi, my name is Mendez. I'm currently a student at Toro College, and today we'll be working from my website located at schoolswebhub.org/ToroJMendez74. Today I would like to talk about Summit Math. Summit Math stands for Success Using Multimedia Math Internet Technology. I utilize Summit Math as a way to extend my lessons with my students. And this is how it works. I first ask my students to go to my website and print an individualized math plan that looks like this. They will be getting the plan and write their names on it. They will print it, and then they will be keeping this plan in their folders. Once they have done so, they will go back to my website and they will click on Submit Plan. That looks like this. Now, for instance, if I had covered with them a lesson on comparing and ordering numbers, then I will give them an activity in which they can actually extend the lesson objectives of the day. For instance, if I were to assign comparing 6-digit numbers with them, they will be clicking on the activity. They will get a section that reviews the objectives of comparing numbers. For instance, they get the comparing symbols, they get the meanings of the symbols, they get examples using the symbols, and they get examples using the words to compare numbers. Then if they were to scroll down, they actually get the opportunities to practice comparing numbers. For instance, they can start by clicking on the start buttons. They will get two numbers that they need to compare, and they will just have to press either whether these two numbers are more than, they're the same as, or less than. So these two numbers are the same as. So they will get also in this box over here the word correct, which means that their answer is correct. They continue for more activities. They get additional numbers, and then let's say they were to press this, meaning they will be getting this box that shows that this number is actually less than this number. They are not equals. Therefore, the answer is incorrect. So if they were to choose an incorrect answer, this activity actually self-corrects them. They also will be getting the numbers of correct and incorrect answers that they have been completing. They will also be getting a percentage of the correct answers, and once they are done with the assigned activity, they will press report totals, and they will receive a sheet in which they can print their names and then actually print the sheet that will be printing the information of the scores that they received for that particular activity. Now, this information that they just got, they'll be using it to go back to the individualized math plan that I mentioned that they had printed and put it and placed in their folders. They will go to the section of the activity they completed, which was comparing 6-digit numbers, and they will be writing the date that they completed the activity and the score that they received. Once they do that, they also get the option to write a comment on that activity, whether they were able to get it. In other words, they were able to understand all the problems that they did, or if they're having any difficulties that they need extra help. With this particular sheet, I am able to see which students are actually mastering the skills taught and which students are actually in need of extra help. And this provides me with a good source of running records that I can keep in a folder to help me for planning future lessons. I hope this information was helpful to you and that you enjoyed it. Thank you very much.